Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to change the Grace's camera in Resident Evil Requiem. During gameplay with Grace, you will be forced into the first-person perspective by the default. Of course, you can change it once upon booting up the game, but you can also change it in the settings. To do so, simply open the options menu and go to camera. Here, under perspective and camera, should be Grace camera. Here you can swap it between first and third person. You can also adjust it further. For first and third person, you can change the axis camera speed for both axes, camera acceleration, deceleration, and do the same things for the camera while aiming. Of course, as you can see, the settings are the same for first and third person. The same as in the options are the same, but of course the customization between them will be kept separate. Once you make your customization by simply changing those values between the value of 0 and 10 on the slider, press the back button. And, well, that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.